Kubor nagashlam jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Pulit ka East Khas Hills District. Kilalit ban Ïalam ningkong yaga Sonam Rugovanshi bat Ngut kishenrang Mawlakhiat bat hadian kata kinsawan Ïalam shawai saudong. Ki Pulit ki balawan hawai saudong hakapor khatwai beje sau permanent minstep kila Ïalam bet ban sedang kejing toket na Mawlakhiat bat kinsawan Ïalam sa hawai saudong. Kumban syukurau Ki Pulit kilapoi na dudang step ban penkrep penkrum hajaka yeng kali hawai saudong. Shwa ban wanra yaga Sonam Rugovanshi bat kilai Ngut kishenrang. Bakin bataya ke rukam Pynïap yu raja Rugovanshi ke bakila dable haka arpulai dari jemang arja arpusan. Kani ke Ïalam Ki Pulit ya ke Sonam Rugovanshi u anan akash bat vishal kumju ya uraj u badi unong aibut kade hadian bakila pla bakila Pynïap ya uraja bat berat hariat wei saudong. Ki Pulit ke East Khas Hills District ki hab ban Pynïap hapo prasngi ban toket ikini ki Ngut hadian bala ajing bit ke Ying Bishar District and Station Court Shillong.
Tiga Mawlakhiat mat baik tiga kali lek mentah menyapa ini kali baru lek Mawlakhiat di Kamerun mentah Shwa sodong mentah kini kali lek Mawlakhiat baik tiga kali lek ya Shwa baru kali lek Shwa jemkiu sana Shwa sodong.
You can see the terrain there, you can see the security presence there, officials, police personnel from the Sonam police station are already there, present there at the scene. You can see the ambulance, you can see police vehicles parked there, and on the right, those vehicles, that is the exact area, body of Raja Rugovanshi was dumped after he was murdered. He tracked all the way up with Sonam Rugovanshi and the three accused, three contract killers, struck from behind with a sharp weapon, with a machete that was later recovered from the crime scene, that was recovered from a nearby